This could be the battery that changes everything. As the world races toward a cleaner future, the spotlight is on electric vehicles. But beneath the polished bodies of EVs lies a challenge: the battery. Range anxiety, long charging hours, safety fears, high costs, and ethical concerns have held back widespread adoption. Enter a sleek rectangle from China, BYD's Blade battery. Unlike traditional bulky cylindrical cells, this battery stretches nearly a meter long and promises more power, less danger, and a greener footprint. It's not just a theory, it's already on the road. Could this be the breakthrough the EV world has been waiting for? The problem with today's batteries. Electric vehicles promise a cleaner future, but their progress is held back by one core component: the battery. Despite advances, issues remain consistent, including range, charging speed, cost, safety, and environmental impact. Traditional EV batteries, usually cylindrical in shape, are compact but inefficient. They require complex cooling systems that take up space and reduce the number of actual battery cells in a vehicle. This design limits how far an EV can travel on one charge. Charging can also take hours, with overheating risks when pushing the limits. Safety concerns have grown due to dramatic battery fire incidents, even if rare. Additionally, most batteries use cobalt, a metal linked to mining practices that raise serious ethical and environmental concerns. Recycling these cylindrical cells is also difficult due to how tightly they're built. It's a challenge that automakers and consumers can't ignore. Solving all 5 problems in a single package seems impossible until you look at what BYD has done. Their solution is the Blade battery, a completely different shape and structure that tackles all 5 issues with one sharp stroke of innovation. A battery unlike any other. The Blade battery doesn't look like much at first glance. It's a long, thin rectangle, stretching close to a meter in length. But inside that simple slab lies a revolutionary idea. Traditional cylindrical cells waste space with cooling systems and support frames. The Blade battery turns that problem into a solution. Its flat shape allows more batteries to be packed into the same area, increasing energy density without the need for extra volume. It also acts as a structural component of the car itself, helping to support the chassis and reducing the weight of other materials. This integration simplifies design, lowers cost, and boosts efficiency. The gaps between cells allow natural airflow for cooling, meaning there's no need for bulky pipes filled with liquid coolant. That reduces complexity and makes maintenance easier. In addition to that, the use of lithium iron phosphate chemistry is safer, cheaper, and cobalt-free. And the Blade battery suddenly becomes more than just a power source. It's a new way to build electric vehicles from the inside out, starting with the battery instead of building around it, unlocking longer ranges. The key to longer EV range lies in how much energy can be stored per liter of space. In most electric vehicles, cylindrical battery cells sit within complex cooling systems that eat up precious room. This reduces the number of cells that can fit, limiting total energy capacity. BYD's Blade battery flips this problem by redesigning the shape. Its rectangular form allows the cells to be packed tightly together, with built-in air gaps for cooling instead of bulky tubing. As a result, the Blade battery achieves greater energy density, fitting more power into the same physical space. That translates directly to longer driving ranges. In fact, tests show that the Blade battery outperforms even premium EVs, like the Tesla Model 3, in terms of energy stored per liter. And because the battery supports the car structurally, less weight is needed elsewhere, improving overall efficiency. The result is not just a longer range, but a smarter use of space. It allows EV makers to deliver more distance without adding size, weight, or complexity to the vehicle, something the traditional cylindrical design simply can't match. Charging in less time. Charging time is one of the biggest hurdles for EV adoption. While gas cars refill in minutes, many EVs still take hours. But the Blade battery offers a different approach. Its wide surface area means that more heat can escape during charging, which is critical because fast charging produces intense heat. In traditional cells, this heat builds up quickly and slows down the process. With the Blade, air flows between the cells, allowing passive cooling without the need for complex liquid systems. That enables faster, more efficient charging. the chemistry matters too. BYD's use of lithium iron phosphate makes the battery naturally better at handling high-speed energy transfer. It doesn't degrade as quickly, and it stays cooler under stress. This combination of design and chemistry means drivers can charge up quickly and get back on the road faster. No waiting hours for a top-up, no thermal stress wearing down the battery. It's a more durable system that charges quickly, lasts longer, and makes EVs feel more like the cars people are used to, only cleaner and smarter. Safety without compromise. Battery safety is a silent concern for many EV owners. While incidents are rare, they're often dramatic, and images of flaming cars or smoldering devices linger in the public mind. Traditional batteries are tightly packed and chemically volatile. A single puncture or overheating event can trigger thermal runaway, resulting in dangerous fires. BYD's Blade battery tackles this head-on. Its design spreads heat across a wider area, allowing it to dissipate before reaching dangerous temperatures. In a test, a nail was driven through a traditional cell, and it ignited. When the same test was done on a Blade cell, the battery didn't catch fire. Temperatures stayed between 30 and 60 degrees Celsius. That's not just impressive, it's life-saving. Its lithium iron phosphate chemistry is more stable and resistant to combustion, offering another layer of safety. The Blade battery isn't just less likely to overheat, it's built to prevent disaster. For everyday drivers, fleet operators, and emergency responders, this technology adds peace of mind. It shifts the EV narrative from "what if" to "why not," making safety a built-in feature, not a gamble. Environmental ethics and cobalt-free chemistry. Most batteries rely on cobalt, a metal linked to serious ethical and environmental issues. It's often mined in poor conditions, with reports of child labor and environmental damage in places like Congo. BYD's Blade battery completely removes cobalt from the equation. It uses lithium iron phosphate instead, a safer, cheaper, and more ethical alternative. This reduces both cost and guilt, giving consumers a cleaner conscience along with a cleaner vehicle. The design is also easier to recycle. While traditional cylindrical batteries are rolled tightly and hard to take apart, the Blade's flat structure means layers can be separated more easily. That makes recycling cheaper, faster, and more effective. Although manufacturing still occurs in China, where electricity grids rely heavily on coal, the Blade battery moves the industry in a better direction. It's a step toward truly sustainable mobility, one that considers not just what a battery does, but how it's made, used, and eventually disposed of. Real cars, real results. Unlike many breakthrough technologies stuck in testing, the Blade battery is already on the road. BYD's Han sedan, launched in 2020, uses this battery and has been selling over 10,000 units every month. That's not theory, it's proof. The Blade battery isn't just powering cars, it's gaining market share fast. BYD is expanding its use across electric buses and trucks, showing that the technology works at multiple scales. Other manufacturers are watching closely and even exploring ways to integrate this battery into their own designs. What sets the Blade apart is its real-world performance. It's durable, efficient, and built with mass production in mind. This isn't a luxury concept, it's a scalable solution. In an industry full of promises, BYD delivered. With regulations tightening and consumer demand for better batteries rising, the Blade has found its moment. It's no longer about whether the technology works. It's about how quickly the world is ready to catch up to it. Will Blade replace the cylinder? The Blade battery checks all the boxes: more range, faster charging, better safety, and greener chemistry. But can it replace the widely used cylindrical cell? That's complicated. Companies like Tesla have built massive factories optimized for cylindrical designs. Changing that would require huge investments and time. However, for newer companies or those ready to pivot, the Blade offers a smarter, more flexible foundation. Regulations may also push change. As governments demand safer, recyclable, cobalt-free batteries, Blade-style cells could become the new standard. Plus, consumer awareness is growing. People want cleaner, safer tech, and the Blade delivers that. It won't happen overnight, but the shift has already begun. What once looked like a niche innovation is turning into a global trend. Whether it dominates the future or simply forces other designs to evolve, the Blade battery is changing the conversation. From how batteries are built to how cars are powered, it's shaping a new road ahead. The future of electric vehicles doesn't just depend on motors or apps, it hinges on the battery. And BYD's Blade battery might just be the blueprint for what comes next. It's not only safer and more efficient, but also environmentally thoughtful in ways few others are. With growing demand for cleaner, smarter transportation, innovation like this doesn't just move the needle, it redefines the entire gauge. Whether the industry fully embraces it remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: the days of the old cylindrical cell are numbered, and in its place, a Blade might be carving out the road ahead.